Next, we'll demonstrate seed stitch. This stitch is somewhat like straight stitch. It's a very simple stitch, perfect for beginners to learn. Let me demonstrate. Here I'll use 2 colors of thread to make it look more impactful, visually more rich. First, we stitch with 1 color. Can see pattern is in line form, presenting scattered state. We start from far right. Come up at segment end. Take down at other end. Stitch a small segment to create scattered effect. When stitching, I might stitch 1 here. Next stitch might jump here. If you're stitching 2 colors of thread, same color threads shouldn't be too close. Can skip around. Let 2 threads mix appropriately. This way, 2 colors formed will have strong effect contrast. Come up. Take down. When stitching, keep stitch length consistent. Effect will look like seeds. Random yet scattered. This stitch, I usually use it for area filling or pattern embellishment. Can present very delicate effects. Let's switch to another color to stitch, to make colors more vibrant. Take down. Let's see the overall finished effect.